In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Bluebeam files. If a drawing or document goes missing after a crash, a power outage, or an accidental delete, don't panic. I'll walk you through a clear, reliable process to get your work back using the tools you already have. First, open Bluebeam Revu. Starting inside Revu matters because the app keeps track of what you've worked on recently, which can save you time. Make sure you're on the same computer you used when you last edited the file, and if possible, keep Revu open while you check the next option so you don't accidentally overwrite anything. Once Revu is open, go to the File menu and choose Open Recent. This list is often the fastest way to locate a file you were just working on. Scroll through the recent items and look for the exact file name or a version with a similar name that might indicate a recovered or temporary copy. If you see it, open it right away. As soon as it opens, use Save As to store it in a safe, clearly labeled folder. That prevents you from working directly out of a temporary or cached location and helps avoid confusion later. If the file isn't listed there, the next place to check is your computer's recycle bin. Deleted files frequently end up here and are easy to restore. Open the recycle bin, sort by date deleted to bring the most recent items to the top, and search by part of the file name if you remember it. When you find it, choose Restore to return it to its original folder. After it's restored, open it in Revu and immediately save as to a new location or a versioned file name so you don't overwrite anything unintentionally. If it's not in Recycle Bin, look in Bluebeam's autosave folder. Autosave locations can vary by version, but on Windows, they typically live under your user profile in App Data, inside a Bluebeam software or review folder, then the version number and an autosave subfolder. In that folder, look for files that share the original name or have extensions or labels indicating autosave or backup versions. Open likely candidates directly in Revu. If one opens successfully, use Save As to commit it to a permanent, well-organized location. If you're unsure which file is the right one, compare dates and sizes. The most recent timestamp is usually your best bet. By following these checks, open Recent, Recycle Bin, and the Autosave folder, you'll cover the most common recovery paths in Bluebeam, save your recovered file right away, and consider enabling frequent autosaves and regular backups to make future recoveries even easier.